So you said you didn't want your who to see?
Your mom.
Your mom. She doesn't know you bought them. 3, 4, 5, 9.
No, I'm messing up in front of YouTube.
But yeah, who's asking about the channel? Oof, beautiful. So we ended up picking up DJI Ronin SC 2, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a 3-axis gimbal that's going to help us a ton with recording car edits, B-roll, things like that. Albert, I'm going to be honest, I have no idea what I'm looking at, but this is all good because this is for you to figure out, because you're the cameraman, Mr. Director. So I'm thinking start playing around with it, and then by Wednesday when we go pick up the Skylines, we'll be able to get some dope B-roll.
Yeah, that's the plan. Because to be honest, I'm in the same boat with you. I have no idea what I'm looking at.
Alright, so what's the plan today? We're gonna watch the 335. Because our trip to Mass last week.
It was looking like the GTR that we went to go see.
Yeah. Grab the Jetta, and then we're going to New York to pick up some wheels. These things are gonna really heat. So the kid that is selling me the wheels, he's 18. He's asking what car this is going on. And I was thinking about it, I was like, shit, they're both 5x114.3. So I was like, I can switch these between the 350Z and the Skyline any day. I don't even know where we're going. We're going to Haverstraw, New York. Me and Albert just going
I don't know where that is. The place we went to, I didn't even know that place existed.
Yeah, we went to
New Bedford.
And now we're going to Haverstraw. And then I got my Skyline from Boise, Idaho, or Mountain Home, Idaho. We're doing a world tour at this point. Usually I don't like to go to car washes because they fucking scratch up your shit with those spinny things, but it's winter. You gotta make do with what you got.
Yeah.
But we got this thing all cleaned up. Let's go pick up the Jetta and head to New York. Yeah, look at the Z right here. We got a brother in it. Look what we're driving past right now. Purple sign right there that says Autowerks. That's Paul right here. We're gonna come swing back in a second after we grab the whip.
TSX, the blue one.
Oh, the TSX. All right, I'll see you in a sec. Peace, bro. Yeah,
what
these guys
the
need
fuck?
to learn how to drive.
What the fuck is going on? Why is this guy in the middle of...
This is such a clusterfuck.
We're in the Golden Arches.
You know what's so funny is like last week we went to go look at R32 GTR at a McDonald's and how we're going to buy wheels at a McDonald's. I think we might just have to
make it a tradition.
make it a tradition.
I was thinking the same thing.
A blue TSX. There he is. Good to meet you, bro. So you said you didn't want your who to see?
Your mom.
Your mom. She doesn't know you bought them?
Yeah.
I got you. Cool.
Felt that, bro. We gotta hide shit all the time.
Where'd you been keeping them?
My dad's shed.
At your dad's shed, yeah. Your dad's cool with it? He don't care. Yeah.
He's a car guy.
He's a car guy? That's dope. Did you... Oh, some of these aren't even open? No. Oh, shit. Which one was the one that was open? I got you. Oof. Beautiful. Oh, brand new.
Damn.
Brand new.
Damn.
Woo! Yeah, bro, I was looking for these for a minute, and like, you had the perfect size. The problem is everyone else is 18 by 9, plus 22 or whatever the fuck. So that. Which one? B5? B8.5, okay. Yeah, you see that? Isn't that fucking weird? Who's that?
You heard that? I think it was a lady.
Yo, film him.
I don't know if you can see him. I hope you can see him. I think they're waving.
Yeah. What?
What's the guy's YouTube channel, I think?
We'll come over there in a second. All right. They're good. Let's let them up. All right, bro. We'll see. No, okay. All right, ready? So I'm gonna count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2,000. 1, 2. You know what I mean? 3, 4, 5, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Luigi, I appreciate you, my man. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna send you the channel.
See you,
and let me know if you ever have anything else like this. Appreciate you. I'm trying to roll up to the window and see what's up.
I said I was just go inside. Did you lock the car?
Now I did. What's up, guys? But you know that guy out there? Somebody knew him. You know him? Oh, okay, copy.
No, I'm messing up in front of YouTube.
But yeah, who's asking about the channel? It's gonna be Sigma Drivers Club. She's taking an order right now, bro.
Oh shit.
Someone's ordering. No, you were asking about the channel? It's Sigma Drivers Club. It's gonna be coming out pretty soon.
Huh?
She multitasking.
Okay,
Yeah, she multitasking.
yeah,
She
yeah.
multitasking.
Type in CH0. Call that. That's my person. Like and subscribe, guys. Alright, guys. So we just picked these up for. So we just picked these up. Some Kansei Tandems for the 350Z. Brand new in the box. 18 by 10.5 plus 12. That didn't look good.
How are you?
Paul, where you at? What are you doing?
I am heading home. What's going on?
Heading home.
Yes, sir.
How long ago did you leave your shop?
About 10 minutes ago?
10 minutes ago?
Why are you here?
Fuck, I just missed you. Yeah, I just pulled in and I was like, it's all dark in here. Yeah, bro. I literally passed by like 30 minutes ago. I was on my way to pick up a set of wheels at McDonald's in, what is it? Fucking Haverstown, or what the, Harvest? Yeah, so then I was gonna swing back on the way back and say what's up. And usually you're at the shop till late, but I guess not today.
Yeah, I'm going to fucking dinner with my parents tonight, so I was like, I gotta get out of here early. I spent the whole day cleaning.
Damn. It's all good. Next time.
Sounds good, homie.
Next time, brother.
Yes, sir.
All right, bro. Have a good dinner.
All right. Later, bro. Have a good one.
Peace. Yeah, so these wheels were, I priced them out online, the 18 by 10.5 plus 12 square set on Kansei's website is like $14.71. I think that was without tax. So call it like $1,500 for the set. Luigi had posted them on Marketplace for $1,200. I told him I'll pick them up for $1,000 cash, $500 discount. It's pretty good to me. Brand new in the box. So we're on our way back to Connecticut now, and I gotta get over. And yeah, let's get these unloaded. Yeah, so I recently lowered the car on coilovers and I put new tie rods in. So I'm thinking next weekend we'll get an alignment and get some fresh tires mounted. I burned these off like crazy. There's like no tread. And look how dry rotted these are.
So are we taking this puppy out for a test drive?
I mean, after we get the new tires and the alignment,